Elaine here with WTI. A 50s retro dress? Why thank you. Kingfancy has just what I need. Here's a close-up of the Sweetheart neckline. I really love this neckline because it's very modest, and I love the bodice, how it tapers in and really gives me a custom fit. I'm average height 5'5", and it comes right at the bottom of my knee. And I really love the cap sleeves because it's not too much and not too little. It does give you that little bit of elegance. And if you're going somewhere a little bit chilly, this dress looks awesome with a jacket. I have my velvet jacket on and I think it looks amazing. So I like to wear a little red with my black and white. And here with a little bit of red accessories, I have a whole new look. Kingfancy has so many different patterns. You're gonna love this 50s dress. It's retro, it has pockets, the Sweetheart neckline is to die for. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.